the hidden influence of colors on our minds. The unseen power of color. Imagine walking into a room painted in bright yellow. Suddenly, you feel more cheerful and awake. But why does the color around us have such a powerful effect on how we feel? This isn't just a coincidence. Colors can influence our emotions and thoughts in ways that we might not even realize. Colors are not just about aesthetics. They can shape our moods and behaviors. This idea has been studied by psychologists who find that different colors evoke different feelings. For example, red often makes us feel excited or angry, while blue can create a sense of calmness or sadness. But how do these associations form, and what do they mean for us? As you explore this fascinating relationship between colors and psychology, you might start noticing how colors affect your own emotions. Are you aware of how a color can remind you of a memory or influence your day-to-day decisions? Understanding this could change how you perceive your environment. The psychology of colors. Every color has its own psychological effects. For instance, the color yellow is often associated with happiness and energy. It is bright and cheerful, often used in marketing to attract attention. That's why you might see it in fast food restaurants to encourage quick eating and optimism. On the other hand, blue is seen as a calming color. It can help reduce stress and promote feelings of tranquility. Many offices use blue tones to create a professional atmosphere while keeping employees relaxed. But there is a twist. Banishing blue is often recommended during happy events, like weddings, as it can be perceived as cold or distant. Did you know that colors can also affect physical responses? For example, seeing red can increase heart rates and stimulate adrenaline production, making us feel more alert. This is because of the way our brains respond to colors based on their historical meanings and associations. Cultural context matters. While certain colors have general psychological impacts, culture plays a vital role. In Western cultures, white is often linked to purity and weddings, while in many Eastern cultures, it represents mourning. This means the emotional effects of colors can differ significantly depending on where you are in the world. Take red, for instance. In China, it symbolizes luck and prosperity, often used in celebrations and festivals. However, in some instances, it can represent danger. Understanding these cultural nuances can deepen your appreciation for why colors resonate differently with diverse people. Next time you see a color, take a moment to think about its context. How does its meaning change based on your background? This shows just how interconnected our emotions are with culture and color. A surprising revelation. Here's a surprising fact. Some studies suggest that people often prefer colors that they claim they dislike. For instance, someone might say they dislike orange, yet gravitate toward it in their clothing and accessories. This counterintuitive behavior raises questions about our true preferences and how we respond to different stimuli. It leads us to wonder, are our likes and dislikes truly authentic, or are they influenced by external factors such as social trends? This discovery challenges our assumptions about choice and self-awareness, inviting us to reflect on what colors we actually celebrate in our lives. Personal connections with colors. Have you ever felt drawn to a particular color during certain times of your life? Many people report that their favorite colors change with their moods or experiences. For example, during joyful times, you might find yourself loving vibrant colors, while during periods of reflection, softer, muted tones may appeal more. This connection can evolve as you grow and change. By noticing these shifts, you can gain insights into your emotional landscape. Which colors lift your spirits? Which ones make you think of fond memories? Recognizing these patterns can offer a deeper awareness of your psyche. What color do you feel resonates with you the most right now? Think about it for a moment. This may reveal aspects of your current emotional state and help you connect with yourself on a deeper level. Conclusion: the color of your life. In conclusion, colors hold a remarkable power over our emotions and perceptions. They can energize us, relax us, and even influence our behaviors and choices. By understanding the psychology of colors, we can make more informed decisions about our environments. Next time you're choosing a color for your room or clothes, consider how it may affect your mood. Play with colors, observe how they influence you, and embrace their power. Colors are not just shades, they are a vital part of our emotional journey.